Hello everyone, good evening to all my CHO friends, colleagues, seniors, juniors, everyone. Okay. Today I will discussing mainly how we'll made a family planning poster. Okay. This is totally my handmade. It's step by step where I put my thinking just like different method of the family planning, temporary method, permanent method, different, just very easy way because you have lots of quality, just we have also artistic quality, so you just put your quality in a poster, it's very simple, very easy way. And I just use the lace color, a very simple color, not use more hard color just like watercolor any others. I just use the sketch color. So please go through all video, it's very short video. If you put your poster in your SWC, I think it will be just reflecting your artistic thinking, so that's why just go through up to end. Okay, so thank you for your taking time. Okay, at first, do you know this is the logo of family planning, National Health Mission. It's a very simple. Just I'm just using two color. One is red color or one is yellow color. See, and make at first I just trying to make a triangle and then just color you get from online, just from Google search and you get, but I will show you also. Okay, so after that, this is the poster, totally poster. This is a one white poster. Just in center of the poster I am trying the place this. Now I make a rectangular shape in one side of the poster. Okay, this is the whole poster. You can put in this rectangular shape in left side or right side. I just right side below. Okay, just make like this. I just draw a rectangular shape like this, and this is, understand, this is the CC contraceptive condoms, and also I just use the sketch color and pencil and scale, nothing else more. No use of watercolor, pastel color, nothing. Just it's very simple way because of it's easy to use. No, and this is the this is the OC pill, this is emergency pill, this is child. So this is for temporary method, and I also put in here a different method also. Just it's ongoing. After that I will show you whole poster. So friends, see, I already draw this. This is the condom, this is IUD, and this is injection MP or DMP or injection anthra, and this is OCP, ECP, Centroman, this is Chaya. So this is the mainly the temporary method. Okay, I already draw this picture and within a rectangular box, and after that I will go to another part. Okay, so it's quite easy for drawing, nothing special, so please draw it just like this way, you can draw easily. Okay, and this is different in my language only. Friends, just another side of this box. Okay, this is mainly the left side. I make a triangular box, just draw, and this is the for permanent method. Actually, this is the tubectomy. Maybe it's called ligation. I mean the female tubectomy. I just simple way. I just draw it. See, this is the tubectomy picture, and this is for female. And another one will be I will draw the male tubectomy. Okay, I already make a two compartment. One compartment for male vasectomy and another compartment for female tubectomy. Okay, so just nothing special. It's just make a color in between this box, and in this blank space I just write a name of female tubectomy, and this is the male vasectomy. Okay, so this is the permanent method of family planning, and another one is the temporary method for family planning. Okay, so this is the right and left part. Okay, so next this two corner also due, so I just think what will be placed there. So after that, after completing that, I will show you. Okay guys, so next what can I do? Okay, I just want to think for 5 to 7 minutes. After that I draw it. Okay, top corner of this method, what this is the natural method I put here. Actually I'm this round, I just draw a round shape. This round shape I just use very easily in my utensil. You guys, you can use your utensils, which one is the right inside, just draw this line. And after that, this is the calendar method. This is the calendar method. This is the coitus interruptus method. You just write here all type of family planning method, you just write in your local language, because community people is comfortable with the local language, not in English and not in others. Okay, so that will better for your community people. And another part is, see, this is the left top side of the poster. I just put here, I just draw here only the pictorial image, just cartoon pictorial image, nothing special. Okay, you can use black sketch. Okay, nothing. And this shape also, I use my utensil, one utensil just like this shape, and I just draw this rectangular shape. So this is, or square shape, I don't know, maybe it's square shape. So this is the part. Okay, and above the logo, this space is this space, there is the space in, I think this space is made, I'm just mainly write down the family planning method, which one will be in my local language, which one will be my in local language, which one community people will be comfortable this language. Guys, you also write here also your language, because community people is also this poster for community people, so they will be also comfortable with this local language. So overall poster is that it's complete totally. And you know, this all method just write in local language or your community language, that will be better. So after completing, this is already complete. So I think this poster for draw or thinking or anything just taken time 1.5 hours. Just you put your 1.5 hours for this particular poster. Okay, so thank you for your watching. Have a good day.